Hello children, let's see number of elements in a set. So if A is a set and in A suppose some numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many elements in this set A? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 elements are in set A. So we represent this like NA means number of element in set A, that is 5. Suppose B is a set and in B there is 2, 4, 6. Then again NB means number of element in set B, that is 1, 2, 3 means 3. Then find out A union B. Student, you know A union B is a set of all X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Means X is in any set, we write in curly bracket. If X is repeated means elements in on both, that can write only one time. So here say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So A union B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of element in A union B, that is 6. Then find A intersection B. A intersection B, that is a set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Means common element of set A and B, that is the intersection. We read this A intersection B and this is A union B. So here say which elements in both 2, 2, 4, 4. So only 2 and this 4. So 2, 4. So here N A intersection B, that is 2. Means element in A intersection B is 1, 2. So 2. Then C. Suppose this is first, second, third and this one is 4. So say the sum of this NA plus NB, that is 5 plus 3, 8, 8 minus 2, that is 6. So here one formula is formed, that is important for our next exercise, that is application of that sets, means in word problem. So that formula is N A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. See here number of element in N union A union B is 6. So here it is 6. NA, that is 5. So 5 plus NB, number of element in B, that is 3. So 3 and then minus number of element in A intersection B, that is 2. So this 6 and this 8 minus 2, 6 equal to 6. So this is the important formula. And say one example. Question is, if NA is 12, NB equal to 15 and NA intersection B equal to 5, find NA intersection B. Or here intersection is given, so question is find number of element in A union B, that is question mark, or find this. So first we write the formula, number of element in A union B, that is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Then put the values. See NA, that is 12 plus NB, that is 15 minus 5. So this is 27 minus 5. So answer is 22. So number of element in A union B is 22. Let's see formula and some example again. So our formula for number of element in A union B or number of element in A intersection B. So see number of element in A union B, that is NA, means number of element in A. plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B, or if union is here, we take intersection here, and if you want number of element in A intersection B, so write number of element in A intersection B, that is NA plus NB minus NA union B. Both are same formula. So see first, if number of element means NA is 45, NB is 52, and here union is given, and question is find number of element in A intersection B. So first we write given here NA, that is 45, NB 52, number of element in A union B, that is 70. So write formula for number of element in A intersection B. So number of element in A intersection B is NA plus NB minus NA union B. So NA, that is 45. So 45 plus this 52 minus 70. Then add these two. So here it is 7 and 9 minus 70. So answer is 27. Means number of element in A union B is 27. Similarly, see second, if number of element means NA, that is 20, NB 28, and number of element in A union B is 36, find number of element in A intersection B. So again first write given NA, that is 20, NB 28, NA union B is given 36. So again for A intersection B, we write formula, revise your formula, and see NA plus NB minus N intersection is here, so we take here A union B, then put all the values, 20 plus 28 minus 36, so it is 48 minus 36. Therefore number of element in A intersection B, that is 12. See next example, here number of element in A, that is 12, union and intersection both are given, and question is find the number of element in B. Similarly here also one more question is here, union that is 50, intersection is 10, N of A is 20, again same question, find the number of element in set B. So here you use any formula, first or second, because both the values are given. So if you apply first, then we write here given, that is NA 12, number of element A union B, that is 40, then number of element in A intersection B, that is 10, and question is NB. So write formula, number of element in A union B, that is NA plus NB minus NA union is here, so we take here A intersection B. So see this value is 40, so write 40, then NA, that is 12, this value is not given, so keep as it is, minus this intersection, so 12 minus this 10, so 12 minus 10, that is 2 plus NB, and when you shift here, the time this plus 2 is minus 2, so 40 minus 2, that is N of B, means number of element in set B. So 40 minus 2, that is 38, equal to NB. So number of element in set B, that is 38. Similarly, see here, NA means given, NA 20, NA union B equal to 50, and number of element in A intersection B, that is 10. So again, write any formula, first or second. So we apply here first one. So number of element in A union B, that is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Then put that values. So here it is 50, NA is 20 plus this value is not given. So write as it is, and this value is 10. So minus 10. Then 20 minus 10, that is 10 plus NB. And when you set here 50 minus 10 equal to NB, that is 40 equal to NB. So number of element in set B is 40.